What's going on, my stock market bulls and bears? I'm your host, Terry, and we are back for another exciting video. And in today, we're going to cover one of my favorite stocks, and it is Genius Brands. Yes, I truly love this stock, man, and I think this thing is going to be a winner for the future. It's going to be a little bit of a hold, guys, but I think this is going to be one that could possibly be a grand slam stock. So not only hit a home run, but I'm talking the grand slam, where I think we can get 4 times earnings on this stock. Now, gotta be willing to hold it for a little bit, but I think this company has huge potential, and the company keeps putting out great news that is looking good for the future of Genius Brands. So guys, we're gonna cover that in today's video. Before we do, hit the thumbs up, join the thumbs up nation, guys. I appreciate all of you guys' love and support. And guys, let's get to it, baby. Let's go! Alright guys, hope you enjoyed that intro there. And now we're going to get into the video. And if you guys know, you follow my channel, I do love me some Genius Brands. And I'm here on my Robinhood account. And as you can see right now, I have a total of 500 shares of Genius Brands at an average cost of $1.78. And just a quick little thing that I truly am not down that there. I did cash secured puts, and I got minimum credits back and stuff. So truly I'm not down that, but unfortunately Robinhood doesn't detect what your credits are and takes that off of there, unfortunately. So it doesn't count when you get your credits on your cash secured puts. It just shows that you're negative because you paid for those contracts. But I was running like $2 cash secure put contracts. So it makes it look a lot worse than what it is. It's truly not that. But anyway, I'm still happy with my 500 shares, and I'm actually looking to grow and get up to around 1,000 plus shares of Genius Brands. And at a $1.08 a share, how could you not want to do that, basically? Because this is going to be an easy winner in my book. And we're going to get into what news we did have that makes me feel that this is going to jump up the stock. Well, it's kind of crazy because Genius Brands actually has a lot of great news, but for some reason the stock is not moving. They were having a little bit of leadway, and they did an announcement which kind of hurt them a little bit, and they lost a little bit of momentum that they had. But here is the news I wanted to get into today. Genius Brands International and Penguin Young Readers launch Llama Llama branded merchandise promotion as part of Kohl's Cares collection. Guys, it was posted on November the 2nd. And products featured from the award-winning Llama Llama brand franchise include plush and book available now online and in Kohl's stores nationwide. So that's pretty good. This was posted in Beverly Hills, California. Genius Brands and Penguin Young Readers Kohl's, the annual holiday program for Kohl's Cares, with the debut of Llama Llama, branded bundle featuring a plush toy and a book available now at Kohls.com and Kohl's stores nationwide. And it's just talking about here, which is really good. It says here that basically, this is really good. We have a big star. It has Jennifer Gardner as Llama Llama, which is really huge. And you can get these items, the readers and the plush, are exclusive through Kohl's Care for $5 each, with 100% of Kohl's net profit benefiting the nonprofit organizations to improve health and well-being of communities nationwide. The products are available for a limited time, so get them while the supplies last. That'd be pretty cool. We may have to go grab one just so we can put it on the channel here. And plus the money's going towards a good cause. So it says here, Genius Brand says they are honored to be a part of this season's Kohl's Cares and merchandise collection with our evergreen brand Llama Llama being featured with new merchandise available in stores around the country. Commented Lloyd Mintz, SVP Global and Consumer Products at Genius Brands. This is a big step in expanding our merchandise program for Llama Llama as we continue to see creative avenues to deliver the classic brand to the legion of fans. And this here is just saying that, talking about what Llama Llama is. It is on Netflix. It's Netflix's original preschool series about first childhood experiences and adventures, as well as the special connections between the lead character Llama and his mama and grandparents. And as we know, you can get seasons 1 and 2 of these series are available on Netflix with Jennifer Gardner. in the lead role as Mama Llama. So it's kind of like the Baby Shark stuff. You got Mama Llama, Daddy Llama, probably all that going on. So with over 30 million units to print worldwide, the Llama Llama books from Prince Young readers has been New York Times bestseller several times, claiming the #1 spot for her work. It's translated into 8 languages, so that is pretty good there too. And if you don't know here what is all going on, this here is a nice little about Genius Brands. I think we need to go over this here. So Genius Brands International is a leading global media company developing, producing, marketing, and licensing children's brand entertainment properties and consumer products for the media and retail distribution. The company's award-winning content with a purpose portfolio includes upcoming Stan Lee Superhero Kindergarten starring Arnold Schwarzenegger in partnership with Alibaba. So right there, guys, that is huge. We all know that Arnold Schwarzenegger is a part of the show. He does a voiceover, and he's also a shareholder because his original contract, they paid him by shares of Genius Brands, which is really huge. And now we know they have a partnership with Alibaba, which is good. And Alibaba is a beast. Rainbow Rangers for Nick Jr., Llama Llama starring Jennifer Gardner for Netflix, award-winning toddler brand Baby Genius, adventure comedy STEM series Thomas Edison's Secret Lab, and entrepreneurship series of Warren Buffett's Secret Millionaire Club, which, you guys, if you don't know this, Warren Buffett is also a part of Genius Brands and the Warren Buffett's Secret Millionaires Club. Yeah, so he's not necessarily a shareholder, but he is also one doing this cartoon for kids and showing them how to be an entrepreneur, so which is really good. And through licensing agreements and leading partners, characters from Genius Brands IP also appear on a wide range of consumer products for the worldwide retail market. The company's new cartoon channel is available on 100 million US TV households via a broad range of distribution platforms including Comcast, Cox, Dish, Amazon Prime, Sling TV, Apple TV, Roku, Amazon Fire, and more. And you can get all the other stuff down there too. But yeah, that is really good, man. There is so much here. Down here's the book and the plush right here you can get. So that is pretty cool how it is right there. You can get the Llama Llama action. But if we go back up here to news, actually let me go to the brands. And, oh, they don't have it here. Maybe it's in the news. But if you guys don't know, something really big they have right here is that Shaquille O'Neal is also another big person now that has been invested in Genius Brands. So Shaq himself is now a shareholder in Genius Brands, which I think is really huge. So now we have Arnold Schwarzenegger and we have Shaq. They're both very popular people that have a very strong social media and following. And now they are both shareholders because they were originally paid by shares, because Genius Brands right now is trying to build the company up and they don't really have the money to pay people, but in return, they'll give you a bunch of shares of the company. So, as we know, that's how Arnold was paid. And for any future contracts, Arnold would be paid for by cash for the rest of the way. But you would think that now they want to really help Genius Brands grow, and even with Warren Buffett on board and a lot of other celebrities, because like I said, everybody wants to help kids. I mean, all the celebrities and famous people, they want to help kids. And that's why Genius Brands has got, like I said, Arnold Schwarzenegger, Shaquille O'Neal, Jennifer Gardner, Warren Buffett. These are all people that is in some way, shape, or form a part of Genius Brands. So that's why I really like it as well. And guys, if we just go right here to the Yahoo Finance on Genius Brands, the market cap is just $271 million. And we're at $1.08 right now. So I really, really like that right there. That we have basically $250,000 market cap, which leads to great opportunity for you to purchase in now. And we all know the history of Genius Brands. If we go back here, this thing at one point on the 1 year was up to like almost $8 a share. Now, if you're asking me, where do I see this stock ending up in the years to come? In my opinion, I think this stock will end up between somewhere $4 and $5 a share. Now, how long does it take to get there is another question. Because if we go here to this next chart, we can actually see when I looked up the earnings date, and yeah, here we go. And they move. They finally just started to becoming positive in a sense. So this is going to be really key. Genius Brands International earnings information. Genius Brands International last issued its earnings result as of August 14th of 2020. They reported 3 cents earnings per share for the quarter. The firm had revenue of $0.56 million for the quarter. Genius Brands has generated 0 earnings per share over the last year. Genius Brands has not formally confirmed this next earnings publication date, but the company's estimated earnings date is Friday, November 20th, based off prior year's report date. So we are getting really close, guys, to where Genius Brands is going to have to report earnings again. And their last earnings report, they were 3 cents per share in the profit, which is really good. So we're getting there. As you can see, this stock at one point was down a lot on the earnings, and they're actually starting to become slowly profitable. Now, due to the pandemic, I'm not sure where they're going to end up right now at this point, but I'm not in the stock right now for this point. I'm in this stock for the next probably 2 to 5 years, and I think that this stock will be a $4 to $5 stock within that time frame. So that's where I get my bull thesis on hitting a grand slam, because I'm buying in this stock now at $1 and under $2. And I think that as I'm buying it at $1.06, as I'll show you here, I'm buying a little bit each week just to see where the prices go. And if I go down here, you can see my last 3 times I purchased. I did buy 80 shares at $1.06. And I bought 20 shares at $1.06. And I bought 25 shares at $1.16. So pretty good. That's my last 3 purchases that I've did. So 125 shares. And I bought them at $1.16 and $1.06. So that's, to me, that's easily going to be a home run purchase right there. And it's just a matter of time before we hit that grand slam, guys, and get 4 times earnings on what we put in today. So I can't wait to come back in future videos when this thing finally takes off, because I think this stock has been beaten down pretty bad. And I think the stock right now is at the bottom, so it really can't go no lower. And if it does, I'll just buy more, so that's okay with me. But I think this stock is going to have its day when it shoots up and the gains are going to happen. And I'm going to be setting on a good bit of shares of this, and I'm going to be very happy camper. So, guys, comment down below what you think. What is your thoughts on Genius Brands? Are you a bull? Are you a bear? What are you thinking on it? But for me, I am a bull all the way on this, man. I think this is a sure winner. Like I said, that's just my opinion. You guys do your own research. Think what you want. But in my opinion, I think this thing is a winner. So guys, hope you liked the video. If you did, hit the thumbs up. Join the Thumbs Up Nation. Really helps out the channel. And share this great information with other people. And guys, I will catch you in the next one. And remember to buy the dip. Let's go!